The fastest way to lose someone is to show them that you need them. Think about it. When you chase a cat, it runs away. When you sit still and ignore it, it comes to you. People are the same. You text them, they ignore you. You ignore them, they text you. Why? Because we do not want what is easy. We want what is rare. We want what is valuable. If you are always available, you are cheap. If you are always trying to please people, you are boring. In this video, I will teach you the Stoic art of indifference. I will show you how to flip the switch. Stop chasing, stop begging. Become the person who is chased. There is a strange rule in life. It is called the backwards law. The more you want something, the more you push it away. Imagine you are trying to hold water in your hands. If you cup your hands gently, the water stays. But if you try to grab it, if you squeeze your fist tight to keep it, the water spills, it is gone. Desire is like that tight fist. When you are desperate for approval, when you are desperate for love or respect, people can smell it. It smells like fear, and fear is not attractive. The Stoics knew this 2,000 years ago. Epictetus said, "Freedom is not achieved by satisfying desire, but by destroying it." He meant that you only become powerful when you stop needing things from other people. Today, we are going to learn how to open your hand. Most people live their lives like a satellite. They orbit around others. They orbit around their crush, their boss, or their friends. They wait. Did she text me back? Did he like my post? Did they invite me? Their happiness depends on someone else. This is weak. To become magnetic, you must become the star. A star does not look around to see who is watching. A star just burns. It has its own gravity. It has its own mission. When you focus on your own life, your winter arc, your gym, your business, your mind, you create gravity. You stop looking at them, and suddenly they start looking at you. Why? Because you are moving. You are going somewhere. People want to follow someone who knows where they are going. If you stop chasing them to work on yourself, they will wonder, why doesn't he care anymore? What is he doing? He must be doing something important. That mystery creates attraction. Let's talk about economics. Why is gold expensive? Because it is rare. Why is air free? Because it is everywhere. If you answer every text in 3 seconds, ... If you say yes to every favor, if you always seek their attention, you are air. You are everywhere. You have low value. Indifference creates scarcity. When you pull back, you become gold. This is not about playing games. This is not about being mean. It is about self-respect. It means you value your time more than their approval. When you are indifferent, you send a powerful signal to the world. You are saying, I am fine with you, but I am also fine without you. That specific attitude, I am fine without you, is the most attractive trait a human can have. It drives people crazy, in a good way. Now, be careful. There is a difference between being stoic and being cold. We are not trying to be heartless robots. We simply detach from the outcome. Marcus Aurelius called this Amor Fati, loving your fate. This is how you use it in relationships. You treat people well. You are kind. You are honest. But you are okay if they leave. Imagine you are walking a path. Someone joins you. Great. Walk with them. Then they decide to turn left. The old you would run after them, crying, begging them to come back. The new you simply keeps walking straight. You wave goodbye and you keep walking your path, because your path is more important than the person walking it with you. Paradoxically, when they see you keep walking without them, they often turn around and run back to you. Why? Because they realize you are the leader of your own life. So, here is your homework for the next few days. Stop initiating. Stop texting first. Stop asking for validation. Stop trying to impress. Just stop. Direct all that energy into yourself, into your protocol. Work out harder. Read more. Sit in silence. Watch what happens around you. It will feel scary at first. You will think, if I stop chasing, they will forget me. No, they won't. They will notice the silence. The silence will become loud. They will reach out. They will chase. And when they do, don't get excited. Stay calm. Stay indifferent. You are the mountain. They are just the wind. Remember this rule for 2026. The prize never chases. The prize is chased. You are the prize, but only if you believe it. Keep your head down. Keep your mouth shut. Keep working. Let them come to you. If you are tired of chasing, comment, "I am the prize," below. This is the third step of the winter arc. Ghost mode, defense, and now attraction. Next, we will talk about focus. See you in the next video.